Are you ready to supercharge your business with AI? Want to make more profit? Get more leads? These 10 apps are pure gold for 2025. First up, ChatGPT Enterprise. Watch your customer service soar with AI-powered chats. Jasper AI, create content in seconds with AI-driven writing. Notion AI, automate workflows and boost productivity like never before. Grammarly Business, perfect your communication with AI grammar checks. Zapier AI, connect your favorite apps and automate your tasks. DALL, generate unique marketing images with AI. Pictory AI, turn text into engaging videos in minutes. HubSpot AI, smarter sales and marketing with AI-powered CRM. Surfer SEO, optimize your website with AI-driven SEO tools. Finally, Synthesia, create professional AI-generated videos with avatars. Which AI app will help you dominate in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Visit www.skyrisetech.com for more business growth strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game-changing tips.